Hello and welcome to Innovin Recipes. Today we are making soft and crumbly lemon yogurt biscuit, full of zesty flavor and made without an oven. They are perfect for tea time or as a sweet snack. Let's get started. In a bowl, beat 1 egg and 3 tablespoons sugar until well mixed. Add 2 tablespoons oil, 3 tablespoons beaten curd, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then mix again. Stir in half teaspoon vanilla essence. And 1 teaspoon fresh lemon zest for that refreshing aroma. Use fresh lemon zest for the strongest flavor. Now add 1 cup flour and half teaspoon baking powder. Mix well and form a soft dough. Beaten curd keeps the biscuit moist and tender. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, supporting immunity. Curd adds probiotics for better digestion. Roll out the dough, sprinkle a tablespoon sugar on top and lightly press it with a rolling pin. Roll the dough evenly for uniform baking. Cut into small square pieces. Homemade biscuits have no artificial preservatives. Eggs provide protein for a more filling snack. The refreshing lemon aroma comes from natural essential oils in the peel. Place them in 8-inch oil grease mold lined with baking paper. Lemon zest contains more flavor than lemon juice. Biscuits were once called twice baked bread in old Europe. Lemon dessert became popular in Britain during the 18th century. In a pan, place a wire stand. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Then bake the biscuits for 15 to 18 minutes until lightly golden. Do not overbake biscuits, should be slightly soft when removed from heat. Your lemon biscuits are ready, soft, tangy and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, share it with friends and subscribe to Innovin Recipes for more easy homemade treats. Comment below, do you prefer biscuits plain or with a fruity twist? See you in the next recipe.